Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of soccer with the PUMA men's Attacanto firm ground soccer cleat sneaker. These cleats aren't just your average soccer shoes. They're engineered for top-tier performance, making them the best soccer shoes for men available today. Let's talk fit. With a regular fit design, these cleats offer the perfect balance of comfort and support. You won't have to sacrifice either when you're out on the field giving it your all. But it's not just about comfort, it's about durability too. The synthetic upper and TPU outsole ensure these cleats can handle the toughest of plays without wearing down. And versatility? These cleats have it in spades. Whether you're playing on firm ground or artificial turf, you can trust these cleats to provide the stability and grip you need to dominate the game. So, if you're looking for the ultimate soccer shoes for men, look no further than the PUMA men's Attacanto firm ground soccer cleat sneaker. With comfort, durability, and versatility, these cleats are truly in a league of their own. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, keep scoring those goals.